Well, I live here in Pella. My parents came from North Vietnam, and we were refugees into Laos. And since the Laos fall again to communists, then we evacuate again and refugee to Thailand. And we were fortunate to be able to come to the United States through the sponsorships. At first, me and my family came to Des Moines, but my father-in-laws came to Pella. So most of the time that my kids were with them, and then we were forced to commute almost every weekend to come to see the kids. So we finally got a job here in Vermeer.
How long have you been working at Vermeer?
29 years now.
29
yes.
years.
Thai Dom's a particular kind of culture. They live in both Laos, Vietnam, and Cambodia. So it's not a nation. It's more of a culture, but it's a very strong, family-oriented culture. They really hang tight together.
There was quite a lot of persecution of the Laotian government and the Cambodian government. Basically, there was great genocide within the culture there. Many were sponsored out of the refugee camps in Thailand and made it here to Iowa. Thanks to Governor Robert Ray, he brought them here. There became a need to offer support and ministry, and so my husband began doing that. And as a result of his influence, I've learned a little bit, not enough to be super helpful, but maybe a little dangerous with Cambodian, with the Khmer language, and also with Laotian.
We known Kevin for almost like 8-9 years now, I think maybe longer than that.
Does he come by the plant and talk to you?
A lot. And he been through the good times and the worst time in our lives. When my mother-in-law was sick and my dad was sick, and he was there and, comfort and give, us all the support.
Chaplain Kevin, just a few weeks after I started here at Vermeer, said, we have a Laotian family here, and the mother-in-law is dying, so it was my privilege to go into the home and just say a little bit that I know in Laotian, which opens the door for some comfort, and just hold that dear lady's hand and just sing a little bit to her and offer some support and prayer. And that was really a special time for me, and to get to know Ming and his family.
It was really, really tough time during that time. We were really in a bad time in our lives. So he helped us to pray and kind of calm us down and help us.
They asked if I would come, and since I sang with their loved one, to come for the funeral and to sing at the funeral and just be kind of a part of that service, just to just be there and show some significance of the chaplain, what we do.
He came by the plant, stopped by and talked to us, asked us how we're doing, how we cope with the loss of our parents that will pass away and all that, and he stopped by a lot. I was very, very thankful to Vermeer to have this program. That really helpful to us.